Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Martin here. In this video I'm going to show us how to design a YouTube thumbnail using CANVA. As you all know, CANVA is a graphic design or is a design web-based application that enables you to design several kind of design, or enable you to carry out several kind of designs ranging from presentation, social media, video, marketing, office, and other. You can see a lot of things you can do. As regards office category, you have presentation, whiteboard, animation, graphics, PDF, letterheads, planner, and resume, and so on. So for this section, I'm going to show you how to easily design a YouTube thumbnail using CANVA. So there are two ways you can design using CANVA. You can design using the templates, or you can design from scratch. So all you need to do, either you come here, just type, you can see it's under template. So just type YouTube. See the option of YouTube thumbnail, just click on it. Or you come to this place, create design. Type YouTube thumbnail. You can see thumbnail. This is the dimension 1280 by 720 pixel. So just click on it. It will open in a new tab. So first of all, what you do, you name your project. So I'm going to use this YouTube channel as a case study. So this what I'm going to design. I'm going to design a thumbnail for this video. So guys, before I proceed, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please deem it fit to subscribe to my channel. Click the bell icon so that you get notified each time I upload fresh content. So for those that really want to use CANVA, you have to subscribe to this channel, because I'll be updating you basically every week on different features and different methods you can use CANVA. I'm also going to be teaching you also other ways in which you can make money using CANVA with ease. So for those that have not signed up with CANVA, I'm going to drop the link at the description of this video. Make sure you click the link so that it will take you straight to the CANVA homepage. And the advantage of this is that once you sign up with this link I'm going to drop, though it's an affiliate link, you get 1 month free subscription. So let's proceed. So I'm going to copy this header. This one we're going to work with. So if you have a notepad, you can just paste it on a notepad, and let's proceed to CANVA. So I'm going to use it as my name, the name of my, or the title of my design. Always name your project. So what I'm going to do now, I'm not going to design from scratch. I'm going to pick a template. You can see, because I'm using the premium version, you can see these are pro. So for me to use a pro version, you can see most of the design, though they have free, but free version will give you little access to great designs, except you are a good graphic designer that can start from scratch. So you can actually use the free version if you wish. So all I'm going to do now, I'm going to look for a good design. I'm going to pick. So let me pick this. I love this design. So I'm going to go and pick. Okay, so I'm going to upload this. So it's very easy for you to upload a picture. Click on this upload, click on media, and choose from your file. But you can as well drag and drop from your computer. So all I simply did, I open where my folder, where the image is, I drag and I drop. So the same thing you can do to video. Your videos will appear here. You can upload from your Google Drive, from Dropbox, Facebook, Instagram. You can also upload audio. So see, we've added video. So we want to replace this particular, okay, this this background has it has this image is attached to this background, so we're not going to use it. So we're going to, okay, let's start from scratch, or let's add this. Just click on this to populate. Then because I'm using pro version, I can easily edit this picture and remove the background. So click on remove background. Automatically Canva will remove that background and it will be left with just the image. You can see it's just left with the image. So let's tweak it a little bit, increase the saturation. I think it's okay. Contrast, okay, let's leave it at 30. Let's leave it at 10. So I think it's okay like this. So that's all for the image. You see, it's telling us you can add comments for us to remember what we did at that place. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add element frame, the element called frame. So now we're designing from scratch. So backward, you can see. So what else we're going to do now? Let's add backgrounds, white background. Let's set as video background. But we don't actually need video, so we're not going to use video background. We're going to use photo white background. So we're going to look for a very nice background. I think this one is cool. So let's see how it goes. Okay, you can see. Now let's change this to blue background. Let's see. Or purple background. Okay, this is lovely. This is lovely. Let's see. Replace background. Let's duplicate and see we can use another frame. Okay, I think this one is okay. So let's change this frame. Let's change this frame. Okay. So guys, you can see I decided to design this from scratch. You can see, you can tweak it the way you like. Well, I think I'm okay with this design. Let me see. Let me see if I can change this color. Okay, you can see. I think we're done with this, guys. You can see now. God is great, powerful, supernatural signs and wonders. You can decide to spice it or maybe add one or two things, but I think it's okay like this. And maybe you want to add a name. You can just add a name. Okay, let's see if we can add a name. Prophetess Jane Francis. So let's quickly add a name. Click on test. Can I use any style test? Can I use this style test? So let's pick one. Or we can decide to just use a normal test, which is this. Pick this guy. You can tweak it anyhow you want it. I think I'm okay with this. I'm okay with this design like this. Prophetess Jane Francis. So you can duplicate this design by clicking here. You can see it as duplicated. Then you can design another one. Change everything here. And start afresh. Or you can add a new page and pick another template. You can pick another template. Let's assume you want to pick this template now. You can just pick this guy and you work on this. You can see. So this is how pretty easy it is to set up or to design a thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail using Canva. So the Pro version will give you a lot of features, a lot of privilege to access a lot of template elements and styles, text, logo, and many more options. You can see the options. So I encourage you, if you really want to take your design to the next level, Canva is the best place for you. So now I'm going to export this design and show you how it looks like. So click on share, click on download, then it's on PNG now. So if I want to change it to JPEG, just click on JPEG and you can increase the quality, or I leave it by, it's a suggested PNG. So you can put it in a printable format, PDF, standard, and other SVG video, but we're going to leave it PNG. You can remove the background, you can compress the file, and so on. So we're not going to do that, so just click on download. So our thumbnail is downloading. So it has finished downloading. So let's click on open. Let's see how our design looks like. Wow, you can see there's some design. God is great, powerful, supernatural signs, wonders, and miracles. You can see the logo here. You can see the woman of God. A picture here, well designed. So that is it for this lecture. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed, and click the bell icon so you get notified each time I upload fresh content. So guys, I'll be uploading steady video on Canva and how to make money using Canva. So not only you learning, but also leveraging it. So you don't need to be a professional graphic designer, video editor, and so on before you can make money using that platform. So for those that are not good in using Illustrator, Photoshop, and other, After Effects and others, you can use Canva as an alternative for easy design. So thank you for watching. God bless you.